Hey guys, good morning. I know it's Monday. We did this workshop on Saturday. We're closed on Saturday for this event. Upland Fit Body is a great little studio. We went and basically talked to some of their clients we went to, also other vendors too. We want people to stay healthy. I'm not sure if it's chiropractic, if it's acupuncture. You'll see a video from Sharleen and from Chris, the head trainer there at Upland Fit Body. But keep yourself healthy this week. Get yourself fit. See a trainer if you need to. Here's where you show up for 45 minutes. You sweat your butt off and you're done. All right, that works for you, great. If not, do whatever you can to stay healthy. At that point, enjoy the week. Next, you'll see the video with Chris and also Sharleen about this event. Here's Chris over at Upland Fit Body. How'd it go today, my friend? What did you guys do?
Oh, we did a nice little workout. We had a grand reopening today, everybody.
Awesome.
So to everyone that came out, thank you guys. And again, we're obviously continue on this grand opening. We just revamped the gym, so we want everyone to come out and check out our new equipment, new everything. Again, we're offering a free 3-day trial today. So obviously, I do this with Tony. It's a great partnership. So obviously, health and wellness we promote. So if you're looking for a good workout, come check us out, everybody.
And my thing is too, Chris has been here for a long, long time, new owner, but same people, same staff, same great people, I think, that really enjoy being here to help you guys out in Upland, wherever else you're coming from, to get yourself healthy, all right? So come and visit these guys. I'll link you guys to the actual link to their website, their Facebook, Instagram, everything else too. All right, have a good day.
Hey there.
Hey guys, this is Doc Tony and Sharleen at Empire Acupuncture. Just did an event over at Upland Fit Body. What do you think? How'd it go?
It was great. It was a lot of fun watching everybody work out, and I'm tired just from watching them.
Yes, it was exhausting. They do a quick hit workout here. They're in Upland for one too. Great people. A lot of it is just getting your name out there. That's all I do. It is, hey, I'm off today. Same thing through Sharleen. She could actually go to another event after this too. She is busy. She's younger than me because I got to take a nap right now. But good. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll talk to you guys later.